Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your
Got a nice egg, which soon will be fried. This is some leftover filet mignon steak. No, really. This is a cheddar cheese. This is a nice bread. Some mayo. Hey, Mike Foster here. This is a fried egg steak sandwich. And it's pretty simple, but I guarantee it's killer diller. What I'm gonna do is pop that toast down and meet you over at the stove. Put this bad boy together. I'm hungry. All right, we got a warm pan, a little less than medium. Let's put a little butter down, because I'm gonna fry that steak and fry that egg. Let's get the steak down. I'm gonna put each slice like this. Oh, that's nice. Let that go, and then we'll flip them. Now we're gonna add this egg. That baby right here. Oh yeah, I hate to say it. Looks pretty perfect. Little pepper on everything. Let's see how this guy's doing. All right, that's gonna need another minute or so before I flip it. See how these guys look. You know what they need? Just one crack of salt. That's what I said. Now let's give it a little flipper. Oh yeah. See this piece right here? I don't think that should go in this sandwich. It should go into my mouth right now. All right, that steak's ready. I'm taking that out. Let's get back to this egg. That's what ready for flipperoo. There's the flip. Now I'll get that cheese on there. Baba. I think we're gonna need to cover this, let it melt, and it should be done in about 35, 40 seconds. I'll meet you at the counter, put it together. All right, fresh out of the toaster. Let's get some mayo on both sides, just like that. Ooh, that's mayo-y, isn't it? That's what it's gonna be. That's it. Here's that steak right here. Perfect. Ready to dig in. Oh yeah. Let's get that egg. There that baby is. Pop it right on top of that steak. That's all you need. It's already been salted and peppered. Do the old flipperoo. Press. And of course the sliceroo. That's how tender that steak is. The reveal. Oh, I can't believe how perfect that is. Close-up coming up, and then a big bite. There's the close-up of the fried egg and steak sandwich. Ain't nothing to it now but to do it. Let's try a big bite of this sucker. If you like steak and eggs with a little mayo, this is the sandwich. The steak comes popping out. The egg is creamy as with the cheese. And that mayo gives it the old mayo touch. To me, that has Sweet Babu written all over it. Hope you like it. Hope you like all my videos. Hope you tell people about Live Life 365 and check them out at my YouTube channel by the same name. Keep living life 365 and eating fun sandwiches like this. Until next time, peace.
live life 365.
I'm not kidding. Right on top of the toast. That's my lunch. Just a half. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Seriously, guys, I don't eat as much as I look like I do. I just do it for you and the Sweet Babu.